Hey, everybody, welcome to a brand new episode of the Indie Sound with Jimmy Starr. The Indie Sound with Jimmy Starr is your backstage pass to the global independent music scene. Each short form episode spotlights fresh, fearless artists from around the globe, spanning every genre from alt pop to hip hop to cinematic rock. Hosted by me, entertainment veteran Jimmy Starr. The show drops quick, high energy segments packed with new releases, artist stories, and the kind of unfiltered conversation you won't get anywhere else. Think of it as your daily dose of discovery, raw talent, zero filter. So today, you guys, we're going to discuss the music of Solomon King. They record under Solomon King and Solomon King and the Chosen. Solomon King and the Chosen is a Grammy-nominated American roots, blues, and Americana musical act fronted by singer, songwriter, and guitarist Solomon King. The project draws heavily on traditional blues, folk, and classic storytelling. A cool bit of trivia is that Solomon King has two songs featured in the first season of the hit TV vampire series True Blood, which I was a huge fan of the whole series. It was great. I interviewed many of the people on the show, and it's just a great show. So I think you guys are going to really like Solomon King and The Chosen. The style has been described as deeply rooted in American traditions, channeling artists like Bob Dylan, Leonard Cohen, and Johnny Cash. His music incorporates rich lyrical storytelling. He began his career in Detroit's rock and Motown scene before moving to Los Angeles, where he honed his classic blues and folk skills performing on the Venice Boardwalk. He's toured internationally across Hawaii, Australia, and Israel. His release, The Return of the Folk Singer, earned a Grammy entrant nomination for Best Folk Album, and he's also been recognized by the City of Los Angeles and the California State Legislature. You can follow Solomon King on Instagram. It's at solomonking.official. And his website is solomonkingmusic.com. So let's get into some of the music. The first song we're going to play is his latest release. It's called Blood on the Streets. Has a little bit of a political undertone about the state of the world today. I think you guys are going to dig it. So check out Solomon King and the Chosen, Blood on the Streets.
What you doing at my place? Hey, stranger, with that mask on your face. Hey, stranger, what you doing at my door? Hey, stranger, why you dressed for war? Oh, there's blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. Hey, stranger, what you doing in my library? Hey, stranger, telling me what I can't read. And what nationalities deserve to be free. Hey, stranger, what you doing to me? Well, there's blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. I just can't look away. I just can't look away. there, stranger. I don't care if you're black or white. Hey there, stranger, this shit you're doing, it just ain't right. Hey there, stranger, why you kill that man? Hey there, stranger, you did it just because you can. Oh, there, stranger, there, stranger, there's blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. I just can't look away. I just can't look away. Just can't look away. I just can't look away. There's blood on the streets. Blood on the streets. Blood on the streets. You can sing along. Blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. Blood on the streets in the USA. I just can't look away. I just can't look away.
So that was Solomon King and the Chosen, Blood on the Streets in the USA. I think it's just Blood on the Streets, but it might be Blood on the Streets in the USA. Either way, great song. He's a great performer, and he's also just a super talented guy. The next song we're going to play for you guys is a little bit of an older song. I found it on YouTube. It's called Sunset and Mars. Sunset and Mars. All right, everybody, check it out. Here's Solomon King and the Chosen, Sunset and Mars.
Never said a word. No, you just left. I don't know what I did, but I might as well get dressed. Sent you a message, sent you a text. Now I'm sending my location. Here's my GPS. So when you won't find me, it won't be hard. I'm further down the highway, Sunset and Mars. Some things you hear, some things you see, some things are better kept between you and me. Everybody's afraid of something. Everyone is running scared. But baby, in the end, I'm the only one who really cares. So when you won't find me, it won't be hard. I'm further down the highway, Sunset Bakersfield and smell the gasoline. We put our dreams on hold, and yeah, we make a couple bucks. But in my heart of hearts, I'm thinking, what the fuck? So, when you wanna find me, it won't be hard. I'm further down the highway, Sunset and Mars.
So that's Solomon King, you guys, Sunset and Mars. You can find out more information. Go to SolomonKingMusic.com. I love that song. I think he's a super talented artist, and I hope you guys will support him. And again, SolomonKingMusic.com. And we want to thank everybody for tuning in to the Indie Sound. We're number 5 this week on music podcasts on Apple Podcasts. And there's about 1 million podcasts. So thank you so much, everybody. We totally appreciate the support. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.